Welcome back to Gaia's Green Space. Today, we're digging into a topic that might make you squirm at first: insect farming. Don't squeal just yet. There's a reason why these crunchy critters are creeping into our kitchens and making a buzz in the global food scene. Insect farming can make a huge impact in our climate crisis. Did you know it requires far less resources as compared to traditional meat farming? A kilogram of beef requires about 15,000 liters of water. Compare that to just 1 liter needed for a kilogram of cricket protein. Yes, it might sound strange initially, but many cultures around the world already include insects in their diets. So, time to brace our taste buds and unlearn our initial bug phobia. Remember, crickets are rich in protein. They are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals like B12, iron, and zinc. Far from just being spectators in a creepy, crawly show, insects are taking center stage in the quest for sustainable food alternatives. Adopting insects in our diet isn't just about trying out a new food trend, it's a powerful move to counter our environmental challenges. Insects reproduce rapidly, making them a more sustainable source for protein production compared to traditional livestock. Insect farming also utilizes less space than conventional farming, proving another environmental advantage. Did you know some edible insects like mealworms can even feed on food waste? Talk about all-round eco-friendly. As our world population booms, we need sustainable, nutritious food sources that won't drain our Earth's resources. Insect farming could be part of the solution, with its low environmental impact and high nutritional value. And what about taste? Well, crickets are said to have a nutty flavor, and when powdered can be easily blended into meals. Now let's dive deeper into the types of insects that are viable for farming and consumption. Beyond crickets, mealworms, and caterpillars, there's an entire insect kingdom waiting to be explored. Silkworms, for instance, deliver high-quality proteins and fatty acids, while grasshoppers and locusts, high in fiber and minerals, are already a popular delicacy in regions like Africa and Asia. Food scientists are constantly innovating new ways to present these unconventional proteins. Insect-based snacks like chips, energy bars, or even pasta. The possibilities are endless. And let's not disregard their potential use in agriculture as a sustainable animal feed. Insects offer a possible solution to the issue of overfishing, as they can replace fish meal feed in aquaculture. They even carry a lower risk of transmitting zoonotic diseases compared to pork or poultry farming. Despite all these benefits, what's stopping us from making insects a mainstream food source? One hurdle, undoubtedly, is our own mindset. It's what scientists call the disgust factor. Overcoming this social barrier and encouraging consumers to try insects is a significant challenge, but not insurmountable. We also need consistent and clear regulations that ensure safety and promote sustainable insect farming practices. Insects definitely have the potential to become a mainstream food source. Their ecological footprint is very promising. This isn't suggesting that we all switch strictly to an insect diet. It's about diversity and sustainability on our plates. So, how do we bring about change? One feasible way is to educate the public about the benefits and debunk myths surrounding edible insects. Restaurant chefs and food companies also play a part by experimentally including insect-based dishes in their offerings. And of course, our own willingness to try something new, for the sake of our planet, is absolutely critical. It's time to break the taboo and explore insects as a sustainable alternative source of protein. Crickets and mealworms today mean lesser greenhouse gases tomorrow. It is that simple. If not for you, think about future generations. We owe it to them to make sustainable choices today. Insects may be small in size, but their potential for humanity and our planet is enormous. Let's step out of our comfort zones and try something new, something efficient, something undeniably sustainable. Start with a cricket pasta, a mealworm energy bar, or a locust taco. The world of edible insects is as diverse as it is fascinating.